Internet anonymity is quite the buzz these days, and as more and more people become aware to what's happening under the hood, which can compromise our safety and our security and our privacy, more and more people are switching to methods to protect their privacy, like using a VPN or using the Tor browser. Now, VPN is a relatively known term, everybody knows what a VPN is, but what is the Tor browser? How does it work and how secure does it really make you? In this video, we're going to talk all things about the Tor browser so that you know and you can make an informed decision. In layman terms, the Tor browser is just like any other browser you would use, except a regular browser would initiate a direct connection to the site you're trying to access, while the Tor browser would use the Tor network. When you're using your everyday browser such as Google Chrome, there is a direct connection between the web server and your computer. The server can see who's trying to connect by reading your IP address, not to mention any other prying eyes in between can also snoop this data. The Tor browser works just like any other browser except it uses the Tor network. The Tor network is an interconnected network of a lot of different computers on nodes spread throughout the world. When you connect to it, your data goes to a random node and then at least 2 more nodes before exiting from an exit node that redirects to the final website. The point of origin and any other nodes that come in between are completely unknown. When the data leaves your computer, it's wrapped up in several layers of encryption. As the data passes through the individual nodes, each node peels off a layer of encryption. By the time your data is passing through the exit node, the last layer of encryption gets peeled off and the data reaches its destination server. This type of data routing is also known as onion routing. Tor also lets you access the dark web and pretty much every site that works on this onion network. Instead of a regular domain name, these sites end with a .onion extension and the domain name is just random alphanumeric characters. Since the Tor network doesn't use DNS to look up these URLs, they're also dynamic in nature. Now, if you're browsing the internet for your everyday browsing, for example, if you're looking something up or if you're logging onto a social network, it doesn't make sense to use Tor because you're putting information out there anyways. But if you're stuck in a country that censors the internet a lot, or if you need to really protect yourself online, then yes, using Tor makes a hell of a lot more sense. If you liked the video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below if you've ever used Tor. If you want to know more about cybersecurity and tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.